Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1974 Triumph TR6 convertible. It's finished in this lovely shade of new white with a shadow blue interior. We just purchased this car from the East Coast. It's been in winterized storage for the last 6-7 months. So we've brought it in here, we've cleaned it up, we've got it running and driving just brilliantly. So white with shadow blue interior. We're getting a brand new top fitted in black. That's going to be arriving, I think, this week, so we'll have that all buttoned up. Black tonneau cover, luggage rack, 4-speed, disc wheels, beautiful set of Michelin 185 red lines, which is what it should have out of the factory. Brilliant running and driving car. You can see me just having an absolute blast in it just now, whipping it around the streets here in Southern California. Mechanically, just on the button, runs, drives, stops, steers, shifts great, good clutch, good brakes, good oil pressure, revs hard, no noises. Speedometer shows 93,163. That is a correctly working speedometer. So we believe those miles to be accurate on the car. But yeah, just a beautifully finished restoration here with newer paint, newer interior. I'll show you the engine bay in a minute. Beautifully detailed and painted engine compartment. Really great paint overall. Brand new windshield fitted, new rubber, new lockup strip. Just take another slow walk around the body here. Really great gaps. Factory chrome luggage rack. I love this style, which is this tubular chrome style. It sits nice and tight to the trunk lid there. Looks really appropriate for the car of this period. Wheel set's been completely restored. It's fitted with his brand new Michelin's. Very expensive. They're like $330 a tire. But yeah, really nice body gaps. No fit issues on the body whatsoever. Original chrome bumpers. They're probably an 8 out of 10, a 7 out of 10. They're not bad. We've got a little bit of cosmetics left on this car, but we just wanted to get it up and going for spring. We are going to take it and get a couple little things touched up. And like I said, is getting that brand new quality black soft top fitted to finish it off. Also, we're going to do a little bit of trunk finishing. Yeah, all nicely painted in the trunk here. You can see when they painted it, they gutted the trunk, completely painted, completely rust-free, solid, straight. Like I said, I've got a black tonneau. I've got all the trunk carpet and the trunk board and the spare tire. We just pulled that out for detailing yesterday. So under here, super clean engine bay. And like I said, we've got a little bit of fine detailing left, but yeah, super nice painted, clean engine compartment. Everything looks nice, clean, straight. Very nicely detailed. Have a look at the still photos. They're going to show you a lot more in detail. Let me start this car up for you. Just an absolute runs like a clock. Just a beautiful, beautiful high revving, idling. Just wants to get up and go. Nice exhaust system. Lovely exhaust note. Yeah, hot idle, 25, 30 pounds. You can see the gauges are all working properly there. 93, 163. Tax working, all the instruments. But just a sweetheart of an engine, running brilliantly. Just did a big tune-up, oil change, filter, fresh oil and filter, ready to go. Let me just turn this off. Yeah, so interior-wise, they did a real nice job on this. They did a new seat and panel kit in shadow blue. Really nice color that you don't see often on these TR6s. Dash is in pretty good condition overall. Even the wood looks pretty good. Black, newer black carpet kit. Build date April 74. And like I said, we've got that soft top going in shortly with a brand new top fitted. We're going to be updating the website with those new photos. But really lovely, rust-free, straight, well taken care of, super good driving, very, very nice cosmetics on this 1974 Triumph TR6 convertible. It's finished in white, shadow blue interior, black top, tonneau cover, 4-speed, disc wheels, chrome luggage rack, Michelin red lines, showing 93,000 well-maintained miles. Excellent running, driving car, ready to go for spring.